and welcome back to a brand new video. So it's a bit of a different one, this one. It's a bit of a nightlife video because they're testing the illuminations and you can see the whole of the promenade is closed off. So we're going to have a bit of a sneak preview of the illuminations tonight when they're testing. So come and join me. So we have just arrived near the beach house. What we're going to do is have a bit of a slow walk down. I'll just show you exactly what's going on, and you can see the guys are in the air, the maintenance guys, and like I said, they're just fixing and maintaining the illuminations because it's only August before they get switched on. So like I said, time certainly flies. It just seems, you know, a few moments ago they was turning them off, and now, like I said, they're all getting prepared to turn them back on. And so all the road is closed off. It's just the guys who are working on the lights, and don't they look magical? That's the good thing about Blackpool. They always look fantastic when they're all switched on. We're gonna have a bit of a look at the tower. So there's the tower all lit up in that gorgeous pink colour. How wonderful does that look? Gonna continue down the promenade. They're testing certain sections of the lights. What we're gonna do, we're gonna have a bit of a walk down here the central pier, where more of the illuminations are on. Look how quiet it is in Blackpool. It's only about just before 10 p.m. I thought I'd just sort of come down and capture a few of these, but look how quiet it is tonight. So I was going to have a bit of a walk past Coral Island and the Golden Mile. You can see they're all closed up for another day, another night. So yeah, the old heritage trams will be back this autumn, which is fantastic news for everybody. I'm sure everybody will be delighted with that one. And there's something very special about Blackpool at night time. It's just a totally different thing. You get the excitement with the lights. You know, in the daytime it's a fantastic place, but at night time it's sort of just, it comes alive a lot more. And you see, it looks like he's sort of snooped down the wrong way. I think he's doing a bit of a U-turn, so you can't get down there any further. It's all blocked off. So yeah, this is just some of the lights which they're working on. And like I said, sort of just bring you a bit of a nightlife video for a change. You can just see the sea life. They've got that huge screen. How quiet is it? You just think it's like sort of 2 o'clock in the morning. You know, I know it's a Thursday around 10 p.m. But yeah, very quiet. And so there's all sorts of machines which they use to service and maintain. Look at this one, and this was normally sort of parked up on the promenade. We did pass it today, to be fair, and you can just see the guys up there working away. So we're just hit near the Markellis, and that is very, very quiet tonight. But they still go in here, the old drums, the old music in the background, and you can see there's even more work going on. I'm not too sure what this one is. It's like a large crane of some sort, large crane, and they're avidly working on the lights, and you can just see they're all flickering in the very distance. And they've got all sorts of wires and everything in that one. And let's have a bit of a look. Looks like they're putting some up. There you go. You just see some of them on the back of the low loader, and you see the huge ropes attached to them. So it looks like these will be going up, I'd imagine. Let's just I'll see if I can just ask him. Are these ones going up, are they?
Yeah.
Brilliant, thank you. So yeah, the guy said they're going up, and I suppose it's the only time they can really do it at night time, you know, when the traffic is not too bad. And so a lot of them, you know, they do go back, they take them down, and they sort of maintain them. There is quite a few new ones also. So I think we'll just head back to this. It's only going to be a very short video. Like I said, I thought I'd just show. I was going to do it yesterday, to be fair, and luckily they're back on. So like I said, they are just testing certain sections and doing work on them throughout the week. And like I said, it's just nice. Like I said, I think it's wonderful. Blackpool, like I said, when it's all lit up, and you can just imagine when it's fully on the illuminations, and you know, all where I'm walking now is going to be full of people, busting with life. You know, you got the winter markets, and you got all sorts, you know, fantastic things coming up. But how wonderful does that look? So we just back up the north side, and that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, it's I'll just show you around. You can just see, like I said, it's about sort of 10:30 now on a Thursday, and very, very quiet, apart from the illuminations and the guys who are maintaining them. So until next time, take care of yourselves. Like I said, it's a short video, but just nice to bring something a little different to the channel. So make sure you take care, and it is a bye from me. Bye bye.